and welcome back to another video. I am so excited for today's video because it is a haul video. Now, it's not my normal haul video. It's actually what I bought in a week type of haul video. I've seen these done before, or like when people go shopping and then they show what they've gotten. I'm gonna be doing it, but this is a week-long amount of purchasing. Side note, I don't normally buy this much stuff. For some people, it might not be a lot of things. I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet of kind of what it looks like going on down here at the end of my bed. I've been having this accumulate for like the last week. I remember going to the store, buying things, and I'm like, I'm gonna do a video and, you know, talk about what I got because I haven't made a video in a while. And then the next day came and I didn't film, and the pile just kind of added up because this week was just like a splurge week for me. So I have an excessive amount of stuff at the end of my bed. Anyways, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Goddess family. I love you guys so much, and let's hop right into it. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and go through my TJMaxx haul. I have loved and had my eye on these pairs of shoes for so long, and when I found them at TJMaxx, it was like no questions. I found them in my size. I didn't even have to try them on. I tried them on, but I didn't have to try them on because I knew that I was gonna get them, even if I just like hung them up in my wall and stared at them, because I love these shoes so much. They're girly, they're pink, they're everything that is me embodied in a shoe. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. Let me just grab the bag. Okay, like with the bling, both ends. Ah, my bag just fell. These shoes, when they came out, I looked for them everywhere. They came out around summertime, I believe, last year, so almost a year ago, and I could not find my size anywhere. Like, I just couldn't find it. And when I saw these happen to be my size at TJMaxx for half off, mind you, than the original price, again, no brainer, I had to get these. Love, love, love these shoes. I'm gonna do a quick up close and personal of these shoes, and they do fit really nicely. The next thing I got from TJMaxx is another pair of shoes. These shoes are from a brand called BB. If you are a 80s or 90s baby, there's a huge chance that you know what BB store is. It used to be iconic for like club wear and like going out clothes, and even their like rhinestone t-shirts that say BB and all of that. I love this color. I think it's really cool. I think it pairs really nice with like neutrals, and I'm really excited to start wearing these. They did have a lot of these types of shoes, so like the BB green bedazzled shoes at TJMaxx last week. So if you guys are also into this vibe, just like myself, definitely check out TJMaxx because that's where it's at right now. So another thing I got from TJMaxx is these little knobs that are actually gonna go on my vanity right here. I really like them. They're super cute and feminine, and I just wanted to change it up a little bit. So love these. Okay, so another thing I got at TJMaxx are these earrings right here. I'm gonna do an up close. They are so stinking cute. I feel like they go with everything. They're not too big, not too small, and they have like a good amount of bling. Another thing I got suckered into buying at the register line is this little like ring right here. It is so cute. It doesn't have a brand name to it, I don't think. It just says made in China, but this retailed for $17, $16.99 at TJMaxx, and it's just a really cute ring. So this ring size is a size 9, and I have pretty long skinny fingers, so it fits on my thumb perfectly, which I actually really like it like that. But this is another up close and personal of the ring. Love. So another thing I got at TJMaxx is this contoured 3D blackout sleep mask. I have been meditating again. I had stopped meditating for a while and I barely got back into it. And so I'm really excited to use this to help me just stay focused in my meditations. This retailed for $3.99, so $4 at TJMaxx. And they had so many other different types of masks that are like this, but I like this one particularly because it has like the little humps here. So if you have like lashes on, like fake lashes, you know, it's not gonna ruin your lashes. This might be the last thing I got from TJMaxx, but it's just like a bunch of just cute socks. I'm not a fan of like pure white socks. I always like to have some color, and I love Disney socks, but the ones that I get only come out once a year. They're the advent calendar socks that I get for Christmas, but I wanted some new socks, especially because I got a few new pairs of sneakers, and it just feels right to get new sneakers and new socks at the same time. I don't know why, it just does. These are from a brand called Lucky, the Lucky brand. I know a lot of people are familiar with it, and they're normally pretty pricey, but I got this whole pack of 9 pairs of socks that are really nice quality, it feels like, for $6.99. The last thing that I got from TJMaxx is this Jade Scalp Gua Sha. I heard this is really good to help your hair grow. It's supposed to help stimulate your scalp and help with hair growth. Yep, promote hair growth. I'm gonna show you guys up close and personal. I actually got this for $6.99. So the next store that I went to is Forever 21. I'm gonna show you guys the cute little outfits that I got from there. I'm really excited about these. This is the first thing. These are like shorts, obviously, but it's a pajama short set that's like silky, and look at the sleeves. This is just super, super cute. It's all wrinkled from being in the bag. Just imagine me fully steamed and pressed and not wrinkled, but this is just everything. I actually had a dress like this. Well, I had a dress that had the same exact sleeves. It was completely sheer here. The sleeves were like this, like full on feather, and it was black velour, and I was 9 years old at a recital. So this has been my personal aesthetic for as long as I can remember. And so when I saw this, it just brought me so much like inner joy and peace, and I had to have it. So hopefully Forever 21 still has this in their stock. I know with clearance items, sometimes they're just trying to get rid of everything, so they may or may not have this. So the next pajama set that I got, this is what it looks like. It's just these really cute little like white shorts with red roses on them, and then like a little bit of a lace on the trim of the shorts. Super adorable. It has the matching cami that has the lace trim on the top. Super nice material. I love the lacing here. Love it. I feel like it's very Isabella from Encanto with the floral, and it's very much my vibe. It actually makes my red lipstick pop a little bit, but really, really like this. Okay, Forever 21, I see you. I've actually never bought pajamas from there before, so I might actually start after today, so yeah. I got is this little bodysuit, shorts bodysuit romper. I don't even know what this is really called, but it's cute. I really love how it hugs my body. I really love the back. I feel like that's super cute and unique. This is actually a very comfortable material. This is made for working out, so it's active wear. I really, really like it. I really love the checkered pattern. It's super stylish. I feel like it's almost giving me like Kim K vibes, and I love it. I got are these little like shorts. They're super cute and checkered. They're giving me like Powerpuff Girl vibes. They're like halfway biker shorts. They're like not like a full knee length short. They're just like a mid-rise. They're like a mid-length. I like this length. I like mid-length shorts. That's been my vibe lately, but I love these. So now we're on to Target. I got more clothes from Target. I actually got these little like biker shorts that were $7, which I'm surprised for Target. Like, that's a pretty good deal. A brand called Wild Fable. I think Wild Fable is actually pretty affordable, but I got these. I also got another really cool pair of biker shorts that I'm obsessed with. I love these because I am a huge Sailor Moon fan. I've always been since I was a little girl, and when I saw these there, I was like, I have to get them. So cute, so stylish, so girly, and I'm obsessed. Also picked up these tops from that same brand, Wild Fable. I just love these shirts. They're like little crop tops. Love the material, it's really nice, and the price tag is even nicer. I got each one for $12 each. I will be trying these on so you guys can see what it actually looks like on. So yeah. I almost forgot that I bought these from Target. These were on clearance. This is from Wild Fable as well. These were $8.40, and these are just another pair of biker shorts. I love neutrals. I could actually probably wear this with this top that I'm wearing right now. It's just super cute, comfortable, casual, and it's just really good everyday attire. It's like right above the knee, so these are true biker shorts, which I love. Now these ones were on clearance, so I don't know if they'll have any more. Like my stickers are coming off, but yeah. Super cute. Love these. Love them so much. I totally forgot that I also got these from Walmart. I had gotten so much makeup from Walmart recently, and when I was like organizing the bags, like getting the trash out from what I just showed you guys, I forgot I totally got these. But these pants, they come all the way to your ankle and then they flare out. I'm telling you guys, these are the most comfortable pair of pants This is from a brand called No Boundaries. And again, I got these for $7. $7.88 to be exact. So maybe like $8 and some change, but still. Super cute and super comfortable. Great for every day. So this is that crop top that I was telling you guys about. It feels so comfortable. It's super, super cute. I paired it with the black biker shorts. These are both from Wild Fable. I love this outfit together. I actually feel like it's really chic looking. I would wear it with like some of my new pair of sneakers. They're true biker shorts. They're extremely comfortable, and for $7, like, I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is the same exact top that I just had on, but in purple. They had purple, black, and like a really cool green color. These are the Sailor Moon shorts. These are about midway through your thighs, so it's not a full-on biker short, even though it does give that effect. These are the Forever 21 shorts. They're just like the Sailor Moon shorts, where they come to the middle of my thigh. They're actually great for every day. I really like them. Super comfortable. Recommend. So I got another pair of shoes. I know. But these are really cute because I don't have a lot of wedges. Technically these aren't wedges, but technically they are. I don't know what they really are. But I actually enjoy that the heel is so blocky and sturdy. These are from a brand called Universal Thread. I love these. These were $35, but I actually got them discounted all the way to $10, so it was a really good steal for me. So the next two things are actually from the actual like Steve Madden store. One of them is a pair of really cute high heels, which I'm excited to show you guys. And one of them is a really cute pair of sneakers. I know. I already bought two pair, but just, they're different. Anyways, the first pair is this beautiful pair of heels. These are so stinking cute. Again, I gravitate towards bling, so is it really a shock at this point? No. But these are so beautiful. Great for like going out. These were a pretty penny, but I think they're just so beautiful and comfortable, which is a huge plus. These are great for like special events, maybe birthdays, Vegas, you know, all that good stuff. So love these. The next pair of Steve Madden shoes. I'm laughing so hard because I know I said, okay, it's different because I don't have them in white. Okay, guys, like I have pink blingy shoes, green blingy shoes. I even have black blingy shoes over there. But I do not have white, or I had no white blingy shoes until recently. So I was really excited when I saw these. And again, with like neutrals, it's a vibe. I have been wearing a lot more sneakers the older I've gotten. I used to only wear high heels, guys. Like for many, many moons, I wore high heels like to Fry's, which is like a supermarket. I would wear high heels to go grocery shopping. Yes. I was in my early 20s and it was just how my aesthetic was, and I just really loved that vibe. But the older you get, your knees don't really appreciate that, so I wear sneakers on an everyday basis if it's not sandals, and I like them to be cute because I still have that element of glam to me. Even though my shoes are not high heels, I can still feel very glamorous and cute wearing these, and so I appreciate a really cute, girly, feminine shoe on the days that my knees just will not take the high heels, which is more days than not. So love these. I'm gonna do an up close and personal. Wow. Bling, 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 bling. Completely blinged out. The other two pairs have subtle bling to them, but these ones have the whole entire shoe covered in bling, which is another reason why I could not resist. I'm just gonna do like a really quick, like, you know, showing of the shoe. I love them. I love them. It was a shopping spree, splurge week, so that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Oh, actually, there's another pair of shoes I totally forgot about. This is the best deal by far. I saved so much money on this pair of shoes, and I'm gonna show you guys right now, actually. I got these from JCPenny's. Yes, JCPenny's is still around. It still exists. I'm still a card holder. I've been with them for many years. I love JCPenny's. I feel like it's very underrated. I get so many good deals when I go there. Like coupon, they accept double couponing, like it's crazy. But these shoes, like, I'm screaming because Juicy Couture was all the rave when I was a kid, and to be able to like just buy it like, oh yeah, I can go and buy it. Mind you, I did get a really good deal on these, but still, like, if I had these in the 9th grade, like, I would have been like everything, you know? Yeah. Anyways, I'm like reliving my childhood as an adult. I know a lot of people do that. I know it's not weird. I'm hoping. Now, the reason I got such a good deal on these was because obviously winter is pretty much wrapping up, especially in Arizona where I live. So it's hot now. People are wearing sandals. I was wearing shorts today. Like, it's just hot outside. So these I have to wait to wear until next year, which is fine because I will still rock these. I'm not like a, oh, it has to be in season type of person at all. Like, I will wear stuff from like 10 years ago and I don't really care. But I love them. As long as I love them, I don't care what season it was in. So I'm really excited to wear these. I got them for 70% off regularly at the clearance section. Plus I had JCPenny money, which is like Kohl's Cash, which kind of like just money off of your total bill. Plus I had a coupon if I used my credit card, 30% off. So it was just this whole thing and I paid $10. $10. Like, obviously I had to get them, right? $10 for these? Like, I felt so accomplished after this purchase. Like, wow, I really couponed my way out of that one. So really, really excited about these. Oh, almost forgot. I just want to share this with you guys really quick. So random, but look at my nails. Isn't that cute? I wanted to be a little different this week and I got little like fire dragon and I just think it's super cute and I love it. So if anybody's looking for like nail inspo, like screenshot this, take it, because I love inspiring people. I get all my inspiration from like Pinterest and stuff like that. So I should probably start like creating a Pinterest. Anyways, so we also have these little like flowers that I got. They look better in person, trust me. But I actually got these off Amazon. I am gonna get a few more of these like lighter pink ones and kind of like have them in between these two ones because I know it looks a little off right now. But I really love the vibe of these. If you guys are interested, they're gonna be on my Amazon storefront. You guys can purchase them to spice up your room however you want, or your daughter's room, however it goes. I also got this really cute little like bed set for $17, mind you, at Target because it was on sale. Love this. I just felt like I needed a little bit of a change and this is what I picked. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun for me to share with you guys. I'm super excited to do the part 2 that is going to be coming up in the near future because it was a lot to go through, just this part, and I do want to go through all of this makeup. I just put it all in the Ulta bag, but it's a lot of makeup that I bought last week that I want to share with you. Makeup, skincare, and hair care. So I'm going to be doing this video and uploading it in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who come and support my channel by watching my videos, by subscribing to it, by giving it a big thumbs up, by commenting. You guys mean the world to me. I'm so blessed to have you as a part of my life. Thank you so much. Until next time.